The BlackBerry Passport is a boundary-breaking design, purpose-built for productivity which challenges the status quo. Its modern, precise and iconic design, inspired by the Passport, the universal symbol of mobility. The unique, full stainless steel frame structure is exposed on the edges, giving it strength, durability and visual lightness. The BlackBerry Passport comes with a large 4.5-inch LCD touchscreen with a 1440 by 1440 full HD resolution at 453 dpi, which offers a great browsing and reading experience and is also ideal for document viewing and editing on the go. If I go into the browser and I open a web page, you will see how beautifully the entire page is rendered, giving me an exactly PC or desktop-like browsing experience. Pinch and zoom brings forth the content, and I can still continue to use the keyboard as a trackpad to ensure I don't miss any information. Let's go ahead and open an article. You'll see how the article beautifully renders on this touchscreen. If I open this article in reader mode, it automatically brings forth the most important content. The BlackBerry Passport gives you 60 characters per row, giving you that ideal reading and viewing experience. If I look at a spreadsheet, you'll see how all the contents of the spreadsheet fit into this touchscreen. I don't need to pinch and zoom. I can just seamlessly scroll through the spreadsheet using the keyboard. This allows me to view and edit the spreadsheet on the go. The large touchscreen also allows me to triage all my communications in BlackBerry Hub with ease. Just simply tap on the top right, bringing up instant actions, and I can delete, flag, and file emails or directly even respond to BBMs. The BlackBerry Passport has a reinvented keyboard layout with 3 rows of physical keys. It also has a 4th virtual and dynamic row. This allows for a more dedicated screen space, making for a pleasant content consumption experience. The keyboard allows me to edit text easily by simply tapping on the screen, long press the Shift key, and moving my thumb across the keyboard. I get fine cursor control, allowing me easy editing on the go. Swiping across the keyboard deletes words seamlessly, while swiping down gives me the symbols that I need. The innovative capacitive keyboard provides me suggestions that I can simply flick onto the screen. The Passport on OS 10.3 comes with BlackBerry Assistant, which delivers a rich, easy-to-use search and act experience, which responds to both voice and text input, enabling users to skip steps and get things done faster and more efficiently. Schedule a lunch meeting with John tomorrow at noon. BlackBerry Assistant adapts and learns from the users too. It presents the most frequently used applications right on the home screen for easy access and quick queries. The BlackBerry Passport on OS 10.3 also comes preloaded with the Amazon App Store, which provides today's free app of the day and a complete app bouquet. BlackBerry World and the Amazon App Store provide BlackBerry 10 customers with a choice of apps for both work and play. The BlackBerry Passport delivers our best battery performance to date with an impressive 3450 mAh battery that gives up to 30 hours of mixed usage. The BlackBerry Passport comes with a 2.2 GB quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB onboard memory with up to 128 GB of expandable SD card support. It also has a 13 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization, full HD 1080p recording at 60 FPS, and a 2 megapixel front camera, a dual stereo speaker set, and a quad mic system for optimal sound and BlackBerry natural sound technology. It supports NFC, DLNA, Wi-Fi Direct, and Miracast, along with USB OTG support as well. Design, performance, innovation, and so much more now on your BlackBerry Passport.